Hi, I'm Anne, and I'm back with another K-pop inspired makeup tutorial. This time I'll be recreating one of Chungha's makeup looks from her Blooming Blue album. The eye makeup is very simple and natural, drawing all the attention to the pearls across her face. I've put on the closest wig I have to Chungha's hair color. With my foundation already on, I'm filling in my eyebrows with the light brown shade from the Gloss Brow Kit to match the color of the wig. I'm drawing my eyebrows quite straight to match Chungha's eyebrows.
Close your eyes.
Then I'm using Technic brow gel in the shade Light to lighten my brow hairs. Next, I'm using this light brown shade from L'Oreal La Palette Nude and giving my eyelids a wash of color. I'm also applying this to the outer third of my eye. I'm taking this shimmery beige eyeshadow from the same palette and dabbing this under the center of my eyes and on the inner corners. Then I'm curling my eyelashes. Because the eye makeup is so minimal, Chungha's eyelashes really stand out, so I'm trying to curl every single eyelash to make them pop as much as possible. Next, I'm using the Skinny and Jumbo Dual Mascara from Innisfree. I'm wiggling the wand from side to side to stop the mascara from clumping, keeping it looking natural. Using a brown liquid eyeliner, I'm dotting this along my upper lash line in areas where my eyelashes are looking a little sparse. This will help my eyelashes look a little fuller. Now I'm contouring my face and concentrating along my jawline to try and match Chungha's V-shaped jawline. Then with a smaller brush, I'm contouring my nose. Next, I'll be using the Gudetama Jelly Dough Blusher in Grapefruit Jelly from Holika. I'm applying this in a sort of U shape on my cheeks, then across my nose. Overall, the blush application area should look a little like a W shape. I'm going over the same areas a few times to really build up the colour. You want the blush to stand out rather than looking completely natural. Now it's time for the pearls. I bought these flat-backed pearls in mixed sizes, which are generally used for crafting or nail art. I'll be putting a link in the description below to where you can buy them from. I applied some false eyelash glue to the flat side, and I'm just sticking that straight onto my face. I finished sticking the rest of the pearls on off camera since they were super fiddly. Using this lip concealer from Innisfree, I'm applying this all over my lips. This will make the lip colour I'll be using later more true to colour. Finally, I'm using Etude House Fresh Cherry Tint in Peach. I'm applying this onto my lips and spreading it out using my finger. And here's the final look. The eye and lip makeup are super minimal, almost like a natural no makeup look. This focuses all the attention on the heavy blush and pearls. I think this makeup would be great for a festive summery look. The blush makes you look a little sun-kissed, and the pearls will really pop whether we are in or out of sunlight. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, and check out some of my other tutorials on my channel. Thanks for watching!